Welcome back to my channel with a new topic today, and today's topic is going to be balancing equations. So if you have not hit the like button and given a subscribe to my channel, please do it, and here we go into the video. Right. So what is chemical equation and how are we going to balance it? So why do we need to balance a chemical equation? So we're going to learn about all these in this video, and you're going to have a clear picture at the end of this video, right? So in any equation, in a chemical equation, we write some substance are found at the beginning and they're changed into some substance are formed at the end, right? Start with and they are formed. So we have some special words for this, so we're going from it. So what do we call that? We call them the reactants and the products, and we always draw an arrow. This arrow denotes that produces or forms, right? And in detail, first we're going to see the definition. What is the definition of a chemical equations, balancing equation? That is the shortest way of showing chemical reaction. This is the shortest way of showing chemical reaction using symbols instead of writing in words, right? So in a chemical reaction, I have already shown you, there are two more things that we need to consider: coefficients and subscripts. So what are these coefficients? Coefficients are some huge numbers at the beginning. For example, 2H2 plus O2 will form 2H2O means. So the coefficients are these big numbers at the beginning. So what are these subscripts? These small numbers we write at the bottom. These are the subscripts. Okay, now let's think, why do we have to balance? Why do we need to balance an equation? Because there is a law of conservation of mass. What does it say? It says that atoms cannot be created or destroyed, right? So the atoms found in this side should be equal to the atoms on that side. So you have to consider as element wise. Now, for example, I'm going to give you some examples like magnesium plus oxygen forms magnesium oxide. So how many magnesiums are there? So before that, 1, but there is 2 oxygen this side and there is only 1 oxygen this side. So we need to balance this all. So we're going to put a 2 here, so the oxygen thing becomes okay. Then there is 2 magnesium, so we need to add a 2 here. Now everything is perfectly balanced. Likewise, another example we're going to consider, that is Fe plus O2 gives Fe2O3. So now 2 oxygen and here there is 3 oxygen. So in common terms, we are going to make it as 2 and 3. The common term will become 6. So we need to put a 2 here. So 2 into 3 is 6. There is 2 here, so we need to put a 3. So 2 into 3 is 6 again. So 2 into 2. We have to multiply this and find the total, okay? 2 into 2 is 4 and we need to put a 4 here. Right, one more example we're going to look again. That is H2O2 is broken down into water and oxygen, right? So in this, two hydrogen, but there's 2 oxygen and the total number of oxygen formed is 3, so that is something unlikely. So when 2 and 3 comes, we try to make it as 6, so we need to put a 2 here. See, now there is 2 oxygen. If you then making it 4, we can make it as 2 without making it 6. We can make it as 4, right? When 2 and 3 comes, we can make it 6, or sometimes if we can make it as 4 also, that's fine. So now 2 oxygen, so total number of oxygen in this side is 4. In this side is only 2, so we put a 2 here. So 4 oxygen, then 4 hydrogen, and here also 4 hydrogen. So the equation is chemically balanced. So hope you like this video. Please give a subscribe to my channel, and we hope to do many more videos in the future.